Welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial update for all you LinkedIn pros. How to change your address on LinkedIn using your PC. Whether you've moved to a new city, want to explore opportunities in a different region, or simply need to update your profile, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Me icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing your profile and settings. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, we need to delve into your account settings. Look for Settings and Privacy, and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the Settings and Privacy page, you'll find a section labeled Account Preferences. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Under Profile Information, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to modify key details about your professional identity. Now, you will see the section that says Contact Info. Click on Edit Contact Info. Here you'll find all the ways people can reach you. Alright, let's get to the address. In the address bar, you can now update your address. Type in your new street address, city, state, and ZIP code. Double-check to ensure all the information is accurate. Once you've updated your address, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to apply the new address to your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your address on LinkedIn using your PC. Keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is essential for maintaining a professional presence and connecting with the right opportunities. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your address is accurate and reflects your current location.